A taxi operator died as a result of injuries sustained in a two-vehicle crash on Manchester Road in Mandeville, Manchester on Monday. Relative name him as Dave Woodley, 38, a resident of Broadleaf and a taxi operator of the Mandeville to Broadleaf Comfort route. Police said about 6:15 a.m. Woodley was the lone occupant in a Toyota Probox taxi traveling from Knockpatrick towards Mandeville when he attempted to overtake a Honda Civic motor car. Both vehicles collided. Head of the Mandeville Traffic Department, Sergeant Florizel Williams, said the vehicles climbed an embankment. Both vehicles overturned. Both drivers were taken to Mandeville Regional Hospital, said Williams. Woodley died while undergoing treatment. Investigators in St. Anne's suspect foul play in the death of an educator whose body was found with wounds to the face at his home in Bamboo on Monday. He has been identified as 46-year-old Courtney Evans of Shelley Road, Bamboo. Mr. Evans taught at Prairie Primary and Infant School. It is reported that Mr. Evans and his girlfriend visited Prairie Beach on Sunday morning and returned home about 6 p.m. The police were told that Mr. Evans then left the home and returned a few minutes later with blood all over his clothes. He explained that he fell from a tree but refused to seek medical attention. The couple subsequently retired to bed. About 5 o'clock Monday morning, Mr. Evans was found unresponsive. His body has 2 wounds to the forehead, bruises to the face, and blood was coming from his nostrils. Police have revealed that reckless overtaking was the cause of Sunday evening's collision that claimed the life of 4 bikers on the Culloden Main Road in White House, Westmoreland. The deceased are Kimani Thomas, Stephen Bailey, Renado Fenton, and 22-year-old Arsenio Forbes, all from White House, Westmoreland. Head of the Westmoreland Police Division, Superintendent Othniel Dobson, said the crash occurred about 6:05 p.m. when 2 motorcycles with pillions aboard were traveling in an easterly direction towards White House. The drivers of the bikes reportedly overtook a Toyota Yaris motor car and collided in the front of a Toyota IS bus traveling in the opposite direction towards Savannah.